In this video I will show you how to turn a YouTube video into a blog article using ChatGPT, or at least I'll try. Welcome to Digital Toolcase. I've created a new playlist here in my channel called ChatGPT Tutorials, Prompts, News and Experiments, where I'll upload all the videos related to ChatGPT. If you're interested in this topic, take a look at the playlist, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos, and of course, click on the like button if you find this content useful and interesting. A like is free and it helps me understand which videos you prefer so I can create new ones. Before showing you this technique, yesterday OpenAI released officially ChatGPT and Whisper APIs. And do you know what this means? It means in the next days and weeks we will see many updates in all the AI tools, for example Jasper, Phrase, Chibi. I suppose any AI tool out there will implement these new ChatGPT APIs, so I will have many things to show you, and this is another reason to subscribe to my channel. So, is it possible to create a blog article starting from a YouTube video? Let's find it out. This technique can be useful if, for example, you've recorded a video and want to turn it into a blog or social media content. Or maybe you're doing research to write an article, you find a YouTube video with interesting information, and instead of watching it entirely, you can use ChatGPT to extract the key points. I found an interesting extension on the Chrome Web Store called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. I'll show you how it works, but the truth is that it's not essential. You can use this technique even without it. Anyway, if you want to use it, first install this extension. You can find it on the Chrome Web Store. You need to search for YouTube Summary with ChatGPT, but I will also leave the link here in the description. Then you need to find a YouTube video you want to transcribe. I will use one of my videos, so I will not steal any other people's content. Let's say I want to use this one, Breakdance Builder, the 13 features I like the most. So once you are in your video page, you should have this new widget here, Transcript and Summary. If you don't see this widget, you just need to refresh your page, or anyway, close and reopen your Chrome browser. When you see this, you can click here, and as you can see, you can find now your entire transcription here. I said before, this is not essential because if you want, you can also use YouTube to see the transcription. You just need to click on these three dots. By clicking here, you can see the transcription and copy it from here. So why use this extension? Because theoretically, it should make things easier, because by clicking on this icon, the ChatGPT icon, well, ChatGPT will open automatically, your transcription will be copied here, and a brief summary will be created inside ChatGPT. As you can see, now I have a little summary of all my video transcription. Now, with the entire transcript already copied, I should be able to use it to create any content, an outline, a social media post, or a wall article using just a single prompt, but I advise against doing this because the result is never optimal and ChatGPT tends to stop at a certain point, and sometimes it doesn't recover the work it was doing properly. Let's try by asking ChatGPT to turn the text into an outline for a blog article. Using this prompt, for example, now create an outline for a blog article based on all the previous information. I click on Enter and ChatGPT will start working and generating an outline. I suppose it will follow my transcription script. And voila! Now I have an entire blog outline based on my video. In this case, it worked pretty well because I'm reading this and I'm seeing that it respects quite well my video script. So now I can use this article outline to generate an entire blog article. And if you want, you can do it externally from ChatGPT. Maybe you prefer to use other tools, Jasper or Phrase, if you want to write an SEO optimized blog article, but I will show you how you can do it here, section by section, because this is the way I prefer. I don't suggest you to just write a prompt like, for example, write an entire blog article for this outline, because again, usually it doesn't work so well. What I suggest you to do is now use another prompt like this. For example, generate the introduction of the article. Then you need to copy this whole entire first section of the outline, including the talking point. You copy this part here below your command and you click on enter. You don't need to be polite with AI, you don't need to write please can you generate for me an introduction and so on. Just give your plain command and this algorithm will understand. Now I click on enter and ChatGPT will start writing an article, an introduction for this article. Okay, this is the introduction. Obviously, it's different from the one in the video, but it's good because you don't want to copy exactly what the video is saying. You just need to take it into consideration and use it as a track for your article. Now, you can do the same thing with every other section of your blog post. You just need to slightly change your command here. For example, for this section, you can use something like now continue and generate the next section of the blog, because this is not an introduction, this is a section. Obviously, you need to copy from the outline your talking points and again, click on enter. And ChatGPT will start generating this entire section. Perfect, I now have this section. I like to generate one section at a time because I can check if it's following my script, my correct information, and if not, I can regenerate the last section or maybe change my command. Now, I will not generate this entire article in this video, but it's following my script, my video script, and if you want, you can go watch my video about the 13 things I like the most about the breakdance builder. You can stop this video and you can see by yourself that it's writing a good blog article using that video transcription. I just want to show you how you can do it if you don't want to install this Chrome extension. Maybe you don't use Chrome, maybe you don't want to install an extension. There is no problem, because here you can click on these three dots on YouTube, click on show transcription. Now it's in Italian, but it's the same. You will have your transcription here. Usually it has also timestamps, so you can get rid of timestamps. You can copy the entire script and paste it in a new chat conversation, but here you first need to insert a command. In this example, summarize the following text in at least 10 bullet points with all the main information. You could also ask for the outline directly here, but I want to show you that you can do also something different. Here you need to copy your transcription and enter. You will have now at least 10 bullet points with all the important information in the transcription. Perfect, now you have a lot of talking points here, a lot of bullet points. Check everything, because as you can see, the name of Louis Reingold, it's not written correctly in this case, because my mispronunciation in this video. Anyway, check if all is correct, and from here you can generate what you prefer. So you can generate directly your article, or you can again ask ChatGPT to generate a blog outline based on all the previous information. And ChatGPT will generate an outline even in this case. Perfect, here is my new outline, and from here I can generate my blog article. The result won't always be perfect, but it will still be a great starting point to work with, maybe even with other AI tools, Phrase, for example, again if you want to optimize the article for search engines. Of course, this video is only meant to be a starting point to give you further ideas on how to use ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, but I recommend always doing it ethically. Yes, it's technically possible, but copying and reusing other people's content without adding value is not a good practice, and in any case, it does not add anything to what already exists, and Google always prefers valuable and original content. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to my channel so you can refer to it and easily rewatch it, and you won't miss the next videos on ChatGPT. I will add them in my new playlist here on the channel, ChatGPT tutorials, prompts, news and experiments. And why not give the video a nice like? And since I mentioned the phrase, my favorite SEO content optimization tool, here is the link to the updated review I did recently. Thank you for making it this far, and of course, I'll see you in the next video here on Digital Toolcase.